think everything should be working. Give me a second to just check what's going on. Let me check the audio. And give me a second to just check what's going on. That sounded cool. That sounded alright. Let's get on with it. So today is Tuesday, the 9th of June. Who would know it? I think it could be July. Who knows? Alright. So I hope everyone's doing well, man. This is episode 5. Can't believe it, yeah. So we've done like loads of 0.5s as well, because obviously we've got different sessions in the day, and we have loads of just different opportunities, and we also keep getting striked as well. So obviously I'm gonna play this music, and I'm not here to make money from YouTube. I'm here to make money from the market. So if I get striked, if I get copyrighted, I don't give a fuck. So yeah, I'm here for my own enjoyment and for your enjoyment as well, just to make sure that we develop as I don't know how to say it, but apparently streamers are meant to be entertainers. So I suppose that's why I've got like a funny hat on sometimes. I've got loads of different hats, bro. My favourite hat, I'll actually get my favourite hat, and then we'll talk about the market. But I've got a really favourite hat, and I'll put it on now because it's fucking hilarious. My granddad fucking got this hat. He went fishing with it, yeah. So let me show this. It's a fucking fish, bro. See that? Alright, let me put it back. So yeah, I'm like kind of entertaining a little bit, especially with a sick hat like that, yeah. Alright, so I'm only gonna be here for an hour and a half, or an hour. I'm only gonna be here for an hour because I shouldn't really stream right now. But I just wanted to introduce the stream to some people, because I know it could be the new start for some people, whereas people like Ghost and Kavik and Sumi, they've already been here before. So they know a little bit about what's going on. However, I want to make sure that we aren't like, leaving people in the dark and thinking that I'm not streaming and stuff, when normally I would. It's just I've already entered a position last night, and it's a good position. However, I should have actually exited down below here. We can see here, yeah. I entered right at the top in the middle of the fucking night, because I had a absolutely diabolical trading session, like the worst you can possibly do, which, because I've got big fucking balls, I've posted on my fucking YouTube channel, the fucking shorts, yeah. So if you want to see how terrible the trading can really get, it's right there, mate. It's right there in the shorts, and what you'll see is the most amateur trading that you can do, which everyone is can be subject to if you don't uh, have good momentum, and you don't you haven't been trading for some time and you think you know what the fuck you're doing when you don't, because you've been on holiday for the past fucking month. Right, so hopefully this just shows some sort of fucking chat on my fucking screen. Fuck is this? Okay, so yeah, that's really interesting. That's terrible trading that you can see. But what we can see here is I entered right at the top here, but we do have some liquidity which wants to be swept right above. Okay, so we have a 15-minute order block. Yeah. So yeah, we have a 4-hour order block. That price is currently trying to be rejected by. Oh man, got this low power mode shit. So much technical madness to this stream, bro. Just because I've got like loads of different things. I've got a camera, I've got a laptop, I've got like this side fucking new edition of this screen which I had a years ago, and I was like, oh shit, mate, like that's where I can put the streaming software. And then I can do these nice transitions at the start so you can listen to music whilst I'm getting a fucking coffee, which I need a sip of right now because I am exhausted, man. I'm exhausted. Why am I exhausted? Because I'm a fucking sleepyhead, bruv. Right, so we've got London open right now, so what we can expect is some bullish momentum to go with the current retracement that's happening right now. So yeah, this is basically what's happening, is that we're in this 4-hour order block, but there's also a 15-minute order block which hasn't been mitigated. We are in a good position. I don't even mean the position, but I mean the price is in a good position now for a really big sell, which looks like it might happen maybe in New York or Asia. It's annoying because when it gets to points like this, you're like, oh, it's gonna happen now, and then it doesn't. So I entered into position, and I should have exited around here and entered again to aim back up to these highs. So this is like literally this is such a simple trap, like a known trap that you see this doji, this evening star looking pattern, which isn't a confident pull down. So what we're looking at is price to go back up to mitigate this 15-minute order block, and then we'll see a massive sell-off. That's my interpretation, at least, unless fundamentals push through that. We do have CPI tomorrow for the US dollar, but yeah, you can see here, man, like look at this bullish candle. If you'd want to take a buy, you could maybe put a stop loss below here. I think because we've got a internal bullish break structure, it's less likely that price would come down here. I mean, there is little imbalance here, but we're just in this internal trend right now. So I'm pretty sure with this 15-minute indecision doji, we're definitely going back up in this direction. I mean, look how long wick indecision right down. So yeah, I'm in this trade going downwards. Really, I got at the tip top and I could have exited down here, taken about 200, taken this back up to make another 200, and in hindsight I regret not doing that. However, we're in a great position, and we've got a large stop loss which is above this order block. We even got this 1 hour doji too. I'm looking at this 15-minute, but this 1 hour doji looks pretty fucking fire as well, mate. So yeah, we're looking at that to go up, and yeah, there's nothing really which I have to do. I'm just on this stream right now because it's nice to wake up a bit, and also for anyone else who wants to be part of the stream, you can have a little taster of what it's like. Let me just make sure that everything is working still right now because it's nice to wake up a bit. Yeah. Alright. Boom. Alright. So what we have is big plays, man, big plays. And yeah, man, the thing about what I'm doing here is that I am not giving a shit. Yeah, I don't care. My ego is not attached to what people think. If someone does not like me, I think what you'll find is, mate, I will try and be the realest trader out of everyone around here, okay? Because I have strong values based upon this gangster mentality where, you know, I'm gonna die in what I believe in, and if people don't like me, then they can go fucking kill themselves. Now that's a pretty harsh reality that I'm living. So you may not have come across someone like me before. You probably have heard them in music. I highly recommend you listen to 90s hip hop. You'll get a good taste of real shit there. And if you don't want to fuck with them, then you're gonna get fucked up. Okay? So understand who you're fucking messing with, who you're talking to, who you're listening to, and who you really want to be like. And if you don't want to be here right now, there's a Taylor Swift fucking situation elsewhere. Or you can go listen to The Weeknd, or whatever you fucking homosexual people like to do. Alright? Now, back to the stream. I've got some shit that I need to be doing today. I've got a plumber coming to sort out a shower. I haven't had a shower today or yesterday, and the plumber guy is coming today, and he's gonna fucking hopefully fix that motherfucker. I really wanted a shower this morning, but I didn't get one. Yeah. So, wow, that coffee, bruv, it's changed the game. So yeah, like I was saying, I've got a plumber coming at like 11 o'clock. So at about 9:30, I'm going to give it an hour and a half because I've been a little bit late still. I'm going to wait until 9:30 and then I'm going to clock off and let everyone just fucking trade whatever the fuck they want to do. So my position is at risk. Definitely price is going to aim for this area and come down. And like I was saying, if you're a little homosexual Taylor Swift weekend motherfucking, you know, dancer, fuck off. It's not my thing. It's not what I'm here for. I'm here to spread gangster vibes, not fucking homosexual fucking dick sucking vibes. CPI on Wednesday, so that's tomorrow. We have no news on anything new. And what we can see, what I'm aiming for is this imbalance right here. So let me go to the higher time frame. We can see this imbalance here, and we've got market shift. The shift in market sentiment with the daily order block. So below this shift in market sentiment, that's where we're looking for price to go. However, first we're looking at this imbalance. where price will definitely hit first before doing a little retracing, maybe inducing people, and then we can enter again. As I haven't, I'm not, I'm a bit rusty. I should have exited down here and taken it back up, but I just wanted to hold and basically not trade, which is really detrimental when you're not in that mindset to trade and you hold on to a trade. You waste time. You waste time and you waste money that you can be making. This fucking chat is pissing me off, babe. There we go. It's fucking so much better. Fucking press and refresh, bruv. So yeah, all very interesting spiel, mate. All interesting. There's nothing really to be looking at. I do need to meditate though, so I'm gonna do some meditation, some gratitude. I'm still a little bit rusty with everything right now. I'm coming into this reading last night, about 30 minutes. There's two books which I'm reading right now. That is Beyond Good and Evil, and by Friedrich Nietzsche, and Meditations by Marcus Aurelius. When you're feeling positive, man, Meditations by Marcus Aurelius. That's the one to keep you sane, to keep you grounded. Yeah. When you are pissed off with the world, Beyond Good and Evil by Friedrich Nietzsche. That is really good to keep you sane and like conceptual. It really gives you ideas on how to be more aggressive, more dangerous, and this is just difficult if you are if you're feeling quite pissed off with the world. That's definitely something that can really help you just sort of like integrate being pissed off with being powerful and aggressive in a progressive way. Because when you're pissed off, it's really difficult to be like progressive, you know. So yeah, Beyond Good and Evil, Friedrich Nietzsche. That's the good shit, mate. So yeah. I don't really want to be looking at this chart today. Yeah, what a strange night it's been, man. 9 p.m. like literally stuck in an Asian range. Came down and now we're looking at buyers. But I'm in a decent position, and if shit goes bad, then that's just fine. Unfortunately, I'm in a sell position, and when you're in a sell position, you lose funds overnight. Whereas if you're in a long position, you actually gain funds, which is pretty interesting and strange. But it's something to do with just the idea of buying versus the idea of like reducing the market, where like your money reduces with it versus your money gaining with it. Yeah, it's a strange thing, but those are the overnight fees where you either get money or you don't. So buying is good in that sense. It's like an incentive to buy it, really. That sounds fine. So I shall start with some meditation. And the last thing that I want to talk about is that we have a fractal market shift. And from the data, a fractal market shift means that price can come above this high, sweep before going down. So that's why we also have a wide stop loss, because strategically there's no reason not to. Maybe my stop loss is a bit too wide. Could put it at 160.66, but because I like the number 69, I put it up to 69. 69 is one of my favorite numbers. Also 42 and 69. My least favorite are 47 and maybe like 33 or 77. Those are pretty shit numbers. $99, I don't really like that. My mate used to love 99, but 99 freaks me out. Make it 100, dude. So yeah, let me go do meditation now. God, I hate fucking Trump's face. Big up, happy Tuesday. Timer 5 minutes. No, not yet. Right. But light, because this feels a little dangerous. A bit dark. A bit too white. A bit too dark. I think that'll do. Start meditation, gratitude after, and then we'll just continue on the stream as we finish our morning session of just an introduction to this YouTube. Before we really get into hardcore trading. Because for some reason we're holding on to a position when we should be getting in and out a little bit quicker. But that's okay. I'm taking a bit more of a risk holding these positions, which is just part of the learning curve of coming back from holiday trading. And I'm not going on holiday for a long time now, because I really need this money, and that holiday was a fucking waste of time. But it was nice. I went to a wedding, all that stuff. So no more priorities other than money, trading, and getting dubs, bruv. And L's are alright, you know. Nice lesson. Alright. meditated for so long, so it's gonna take another like few more days for me to really feel positive effects of meditation. But it's like momentum. It's like a trading chart. Once you gain that momentum, it becomes far more like relaxing, far better. So there's a few things I need to do. I'm gonna do gratitude. Fasting, so we haven't had any meal until about midday. Whoa, mate, I'm feeling dangerous, man. I feel like I wanna, you know? I feel like I wanna kill someone. Right now, my target is Taylor Swift and The Weeknd fucking little baby singers. You know, those little bitches that are like, my brother is like that. He loves Taylor Swift. And all those like, you know, Sabrina Carpenter type fucking singing. And he sits in the background and he goes, it's just playing and he's just there like squealing with it, you know. It's kind of relaxing hearing his like squealing, but it's just fucking like, it's just like such a fucking like bitchy fucking like vibe, you know. You're just around this little fucking mouse, man. Fuck that shit, bruv. Give me some hard gangster rap, bruv. Give me some lovely motif with some hard hitting drums. Let me get Timberland on that type beat. 47 minutes ago. So yeah, there's a reason why I ain't got any viewers. It's because everyone's a bitch. Sorry. Everyone I come across are fucking normal little bitches, mate. This fucking, how do you spell this motherfucker? The Weeknd. That's enough. Color. What do you call it? Color blind. Damn, I'm in such a dangerous mood right now. Let's see what my gold looks like, because I did a little analysis. Oh, look at it. It literally reacted from it. Let's go one with the ones. That is the liquidity I'm looking at. Yeah, I'm in such a dangerous mood right now. Such a dangerous mood right now, he says. Bro, I'd even say like, picture. But for this week, this analysis suffices. Bare fucking S's, breath. I wanna question this motherfucker, bleh. I wanna question this mofo. I don't like him. I don't like him at all. Look at this kid. He's a fucking slave. But, you know, that's just how it is. That's how it is, breath. I'm in a dangerous mood, man. I've got some videos that I need to make. I've got 3 different businesses. It's pretty crazy. Including this. This is a business, I think. I've got my other business now. Yeah, this is one of my businesses. I mean, I'm here right now, aren't I? That's what's going on. This geek, mate. He's removed his. Maybe because I've got streaming mode enabled. He's got the most fucking pussy or fucking description. Ooh, yeah, fucking network, decentralized network. The power resides in the people. Fucking look at the fucking state of this world, mate, and tell me that's a fucking real thing. Yeah, okay, that can fucking fuck off. Back to what we were doing, and let's write some gratitude, because I'm dangerous. I'm in a dangerous mood, boy. Yeah, but it's sad though. I could have ended down here, exited, plus 200, boom, in profit, and then gone back up, boom, in more profit. You know, the opportunity's there, but instead I'm holding on to this fucking trade because there's 750 fucking pounds when I could have fucking got more money, increased my fucking position size at a more precise level, but the same fucking money risked because I'm taking out 10 pips, 9 pips probably, because I'm aggressive. But it's cool, man, it's cool. It's why we're here. Alright, we're on stream for another 20 minutes. Stream for another 20 minutes. Look at all these bitches, bro. This is the thing, man. When you join a Discord, you're not gonna come across institutional traders. You're gonna come across retail. So it's really not a thing. But it's okay. It's okay. We are working hard. We are on our business. Right, let me do my gratitude. Mate, part of the reason why I'm streaming too is because I'm pissed off with the world, mate. So many people are pussy old little bitches, mate. The amount of people that don't reply to messages. Bruv, my mentor, mate, he doesn't fucking respond. And then when he responds, it's shit. It's as if he's fucking high, or he's just fucking busting his nut willingly, you know? I remember there was one time I quit smoking. And that's basically what his business is based upon. It's like quit smoking and improve your life. And I was like super gassed. I was like, yeah, fucking big man thing. He was just like, yeah, mate, sounds good. You know, it's as if his energy has been depleted, mate. It's like, I am high energy. I want to create a record label called High Energy Records. It's probably a fucking thing already, but you know, it needs to be created well. Grateful. Everyone's a fucking bitch, mate. It's true. So, mate, my new short is so funny, man. Mate, all my shorts are hilarious to me. I'm fucking hilarious to myself. I'm not funny to anyone else. The amount of people that I'm like, I say something funny and they don't find it funny, or they think it's mildly funny to the point they don't laugh. Bro, 91 views on my latest short. It's so embarrassing too. I'm dressed like little Neek and I'm trading like a fucking idiot. 100 views. These ones are fucking OG as well. I watched them back, I was just like, you know, they look bad, but it's what it is. Son of a bitch. "15 minutes remaining, boy." first thing, same here. Not repeat. Repeat is a gangster, mate. I haven't followed him back on Instagram because I'm a gangster myself, and it takes a long time to accept people into my circle of following. However, repeat has always been a G. Singing the same thing here. Gold should be going higher soon. Just waiting for a good entry though right now. Fire. Get harder too, man. Boss. Blind bro plays. Ashish is getting fucked up, mate. He fucked with me, and you know, when you start fucking becoming a beast, that's when shit starts going damaging. Big up Ghost. Fireplace. Yes, jokes. Right, I'm grateful to the greats that came before me to foundations. Hardest. Earth, damn, that sounds pretty dangerous. Good morning. Yes, Ghost. I am having a splendid day, man. I am in a dangerous mood, bro. I'm in a dangerous mood. I am honing back into my, trading mindset, ready to fucking kill. I haven't had a shower today. Neither have I had a shower yesterday because my shower's broken and I'm waiting for the plumber to come today to fix that motherfucker. Because shit, man, did I want a fucking shower today? Yes, I did. Okay, I fucking did. Fucking Bob the Builder type shit. Yes, you can fucking fix it, mate. How you doing, bro? Really good to see you, bro. We're in the middle of a week. Danger. I was just laughing because my worst trading, the worst trading I've done is it's got the highest views on the short. Such bad trading, negative forward trading. But yeah, because I've got fucking big cocooners, whatever you fucking call bulls, the negative bad trading, it's just another day. Doesn't matter. Whether I go up, down, I'm just here for the fucking vibes. I'm here to make my money. Whoever's fucking joining me on this gangster journey, that's cool, that's cool. But if someone wants to fucking go listen to Taylor Swift or Sabrina Carpenter or any of these motherfuckers, The Weeknd, whatever, this is not the place, man. This is where the hardcore gangsters come to fucking check the realness and make sure that they're fucking aligned with making the bag for their fam without fucking messing about in fantasy land. You feel me? It's real spiel, mate. People are gonna die. So the more we sing and talk about our emotions and all that madness, the less real it is. Yeah, the less real it is. No news today either. I respect you though, Ghost. So whatever you say, you can change my mind. You know, the people I respect, I'm just waiting for them to change my mind about certain ideologies. But otherwise, I'm a fucking straight up fucking more about hardcore gangster shit. I'm back. I'll do some nice and do some live on Discord. Beautiful. I'll be back by 11 a.m. I won't be on at 11. I'm heading off in 10 minutes. I've got a busy day today, and I'm in a trade which doesn't need any management. So I'll see you later, brother, and I'll speak to you on Discord. And yeah, just have a beautiful rest of your day, and I'll see you tomorrow on live when I'll hopefully be trading after take profit or stop losses here. So yeah, keep up good vibes, bro. Yeah, one love, one love. Alright, let me do my gratitude now, bro. So, my gratitude, I'm grateful for my energy and the power behind my voice and presence. I'm grateful for honing my skills to become a high-level trader, streamer, and overall positive influence on society. I'm grateful to the greats that came before me to lay the path and foundations to build upon with my own character. I'm grateful to God for showing light in the dark and guidance through the hardest places as men on earth. Big man thing, come on. So yeah, we've done gratitude, meditation. I need to get some sunlight. Maybe I'll do some stretching too. Maybe I can have an early healthy meal. So yeah, big up Ghost, man. See this? Where the fuck's my fucking stream? There it is. Fuck. I haven't gymmed today. Fuck. It needs to get way bigger, man. I also recently got a bracelet, yeah. It reminds me that I'm not gay because I'm so certain in my sexuality, yeah. And every time I look at it, I think it looks gay. So every time I think it looks gay, I'm like, that's a reminder how fucking not gay I am because it looks gay, you know. So if you can be like straight as fuck and wear a fucking pink unicorn hat and not feel gay, you're probably not gay. You know what I mean? I mean, it takes some fucking conversion, some fucking ritual type shit to get you out of your fucking straight edge life, you know. Fucking next thing you know, you're getting fucking bent over by the priest. Fuck. It's dark shit right there. So high energy records. It's my music record company I want to create. But what we have now is, I've got something which I need to create called a risk management plan. A free PDF. So this is really basically creating something where people are able to like create awareness, you know. My life, my trading was when I was like, okay, I have a daily max loss limit, a weekly max loss limit. You know, that weekly max loss limit probably more important than the daily max loss limit. Because the daily max loss limit for me is 3%, but I sometimes go over it to like 4 or 5%. But it's that level, that 3%, where you're like, once you're over that, you're in the danger zone and you can't go past that. And then for the weekly max loss limit, I have 8% as my max loss. But then I go to like 9-10%, and you know, that's when I'm like, okay, I've hit my limit. You know, because like everyone, we want to break rules, and we want to be like gangsters. So just making sure that when we do break those rules, we have that limit past it. You know, it's like when you're driving on the motorway, and they have a limit. I don't know what it's like in any other country, but in the UK, we have a 70-mile-per-hour limit on the motorway, but you're able to go 10% over that, like as a leeway. You know, so you can go 77 miles per hour, but on 78 miles per hour, you get flashed. You know, you get you're speeding. Or 60 miles per hour, you go 66 miles per hour, 67, you're flashed. 50, 55, 56, you're flashed. So yeah, even though it says like 50 mile per hour speed limit, you can go up to 54 miles per hour type shit. So that's the type of thing that this risk management is all about. Knowledge is power. So I'm getting risk management plan. Daily loss limit. Max daily loss limit. Max daily loss limit or daily max loss limit? Daily max loss limit. Sounds better. Weekly max loss limit. So yeah, that's just a start. And then what I want to do right now too is I want to I'll do that in a second actually. I'm gonna sign up to do some fucking cricket, mate. Yeah, because I want to play football or something a bit more energetic. But I've been recommended not to do any not dangerous, but all-in sports. You know, I want to go all in on something. And if I do all in on football, I could break my leg because I'm a defender or a goalkeeper or anything which actually is basically a bit more dangerous as opposed to like getting around people or anything. Any position is pretty dangerous. So I'm doing cricket because the only danger to that is a fucking cricket ball which you can stop. You know, it's not that dangerous. The only dangerous is if someone smashes a bat into a very close by. So that's just the only thing which you need to be careful about. But yeah, I'm gonna email these motherfuckers and see if I can get involved, just so I can like enjoy my weekends and like be a bit more social. Because currently my only friends are fucking traders. Because I don't like speaking to anyone else. Everyone else who isn't a trader, they're living their life like a fucking fairy tale, mate. Bruv, they don't understand that losing is like fucking a big part of fucking winning. People don't understand that. Fear of it's fear of failure, fear of success, you know, fucking fear all over the shop, mate. But mate, big the fuck up, mate. Everyone's fucking gangsters, and I've done my stream for the day. I've got no more trading to do. I'm in a position that doesn't need any trade management. Waiting for some JP White intervention, bruv. They're taking their time, mate. That's for sure. We haven't hit the point of interest. It's taking ages. Like, I thought it'd hit point of interest Friday. Now looking at Wednesday Asian session or some shit. So yeah, big the fuck up. Keep being bosses. Keep being fucking gangsters, mate. That's what this is all about, mate. This is real. When we die, we die. And some people are unfortunately on the other side of our shots. So make sure you get your shots on. Make sure that when they're dead, they are dead. You don't want them coming back for revenge, bruv. Alright. Metaphorically speaking, yeah. Alright. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll be back tomorrow. Peace out and love.